And there was the fact that it was so bright I could see the plastic out there. I'm very scared. Oh wow. I don't know why, but for some reason I feel better about being in here watching it. Like watching the lightning than upstairs for some reason. I guess it's because like what Dad was saying, like that it's much safer being closer to the ground, like lower down, and it's just like, oh
wow.
And
I think
guess this
when
is one
he's talking about that, it's like if you find yourself outside.
Yeah, like that. I have no idea why, but it makes me feel more comfortable for some reason.
Okay.
It's really weird. But I'm really glad we're not driving right now. And not like the ton of people on the highway who are...
Thunderstorms roll through Puget Sound area. Thunderstorms tracking across Puget Sound Saturday night with hail, heavy rain, frequent lightning, and gusty wind. Look at that picture.
Oh, wow. So it would be really, with gusty winds, that means it would be quite challenging to land a plane at SeaTac. And it was just crazy seeing that there was lightning right over there. Oh! And I'm also having the door open, so then when I showed this to people, like, if I like post it to Instagram, where like people who are not here, like Liz or like Gwen, like yeah, mainly Liz, or like people not here, can see it, can like hear just how loud the rain is and like how loud the thunder and
wow.
Oh. It's really weird because like it's like kind of like just like something that a lot of teenagers have experienced, where it's like they do or say something unironically, and then or like really ironically, and then like and like they say it ironically, and then like start saying it because of like they were saying it like as a joke, and that's what it's kind of become for me now. But like,
so I'm guessing you canceled the concert?
but they probably were like, okay, because of this thunder and lightning, we're gonna give you the ability to, we're gonna cancel it, and and we're gonna reschedule it.
Yeah.
You all are gonna get to come back.
That's what you scheduled.
Yeah. And or like your tickets are gonna still be valid then.
Well, it's like, you know, if you show Obama.
Because of the snow?
Yep.
And the people over there are like turning on all their lights for some reason.
Yes, an intensive lightning show and downpour caused a quick end to the show. We were told to go to our cars. Thankfully, we had a phone date.
That sounds like a plane. It must be hard for those couple hundred people. Assuming it's a pretty big plane, it's going to
Oh, honey, I don't think they were like